If your hair always feels dry or tangled after shampooing, it's not your shampoo. It's what you're skipping before it. In this video, I'll show you how to make a hibiscus pre-poo with flaxseed that helps protect the hair, improve slip, and reduce breakage before water ever touches your strand. So we need 2 tablespoons of hibiscus leaf, 1 tablespoon of amla powder, and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. So now that we have our ingredients, we're going to bring it to a boil. So we're gonna add our ingredients to boiling water and we're gonna let it simmer. And we're stirring it gently so that the flaxseed won't burn and also that the powders would dissolve, the amla powder will dissolve. And we're gonna leave it to simmer until the gel forms. Now that the gel has finished forming, we're gonna take it off and we're gonna strain it. While we're straining, I'll tell you the benefits of each ingredient for our hair. Hibiscus helps to reduce shedding, supports thicker looking hair, adds natural shine. It's rich in antioxidant that supports scalp health. Hibiscus helps to strengthen the hair and reduce shedding while adding shine. Amla strengthens hair from the root, helps reduce breakage, support length retention, traditionally used for hair growth. Rosemary supports scalp circulation. It helps to stimulate hair follicles. It's great for thin or slow growing hair. Helps to keep the scalp balanced. Flaxseed creates a natural gel for slip, makes detangling easier, helps prevent breakage, adds shine and softness. Flaxseed is what gives this pre-poo its slip. Now that our herbal mixture is finished cooling, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of my DIY hibiscus hair oil. Hibiscus oil, it reinforces the hibiscus benefits. It adds shine and softness to the hair. It helps nourish the hair. And I'm also going to add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Coconut oil penetrates the hair shaft. It helps to reduce protein loss. It adds softness and shine. It strengthens the weak strands. We're adding 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey pulls moisture into the hair and helps it stay hydrated. It's great for dry, brittle hair. We're also adding 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera hydrates the hair before cleansing. It soothes the scalp and it helps the hair stay soft after shampooing. Now we're giving it the final whisk and then we're going to transfer it over into our measuring jar. This helps me to pour it over into my bottle easier because I'm not that great when it comes to pouring. So now that I finished pouring it over into my measuring jar, I am going to pour it over into my bottle that I'll be using to pre-poo my hair with. If you have watched the video this far, thank you so much for watching, for subscribing, for liking the video, and for commenting. You are appreciated. And if you stick around until the end of the video, you'll see how I apply this pre-poo to my hair. Also, the oils that I use inside of this pre-poo, you do not have to use the same oils. You can use any oils that your hair loves, and instead of using honey, you can use vegetable glycerin. If you have vegetable glycerin, that is also a good humectant for our hair. And you can also add essential oils inside of this pre-poo. So we apply this pre-poo to our hair. We apply it on dry hair, and we're starting from the roots to the end of the hair, like the way how I am applying it right now. And I am also taking my time to rubbing the pre-poo in my hair to make sure that my hair strands are coated with the pre-poo. And I'm going to show you how I apply it here for my front section, but for the back section, then I'll just speed up the video, because if I leave the video to play in real time, it's going to be very long. So I'll speed up the video after I'm done with my first 2 section in front. And guys, you can see the way how I'm taking my time, and while I'm applying the pre-poo, I am also finger detangling. And then after I finish finger detangling my hair, I am braiding it back. You can part your hair in four sections, but my hair is a little bit too short, and every time I try to put it in 4 section, my hair go loose. they keep breaking free. So yeah, this is why there is so much sections in my hair. And even when you part your hair in 4 sections, it would be best if you can part those 4 sections in smaller section, so that way you know that you're really applying this uh, Pre-poo to your hair, and you know that your hair strands are being coated with this Pre-poo. And I should also say that hibiscus, guys, it stains. At the end of this video, I will show you my hand and you'll see how much my hand stains. And I don't know, but if you have noticed in my videos, my fingernails are looking like really dirty. They're not dirty. It's because I've been using a lot of hibiscus lately. So my fingernails, they're stained from the hibiscus. I tried getting them out, but it takes some days before I can get the hibiscus stain from off my fingers. And because I'm using hibiscus like every other day, so every time the stain has left my finger, they keep coming back because I'm using hibiscus in my hair again. So guys, you can see this is the part where I speed up the video because I'm like, this is taking a lot of time. When you pre-poo, pre-poo helps to protect your hair before shampooing. It protects your hair from dryness, whereby it creates a barrier before shampoo. It helps to prevent moisture from being stripped from your hair, and hair feels softer after washing, not squeaky dry. It also reduces breakage. It softens the hair before manipulation. It helps strand to bend instead of snap, and it's especially helpful for fragile ends. And it also makes detangling easier. It adds slips before washing. It reduces tangles and knots. Less pulling equal less breakage. It improves moisture retention. It helps the hair hold on to moisture through wash day. It prevents that dry, stiff feeling after shampoo. It protects the natural oils. It slows down how much shampoo strips our hair. It helps to maintain scalp balance. It's useful if you wash frequently. It also improves curl definition. Softer strands clump better. It helps curl feel smoother after washing. It's great for wash and go style. Pre-pooing is one of the easiest ways to protect your hair and keep moisture from being stripped away. So now I'm just putting on my shower cap over my hair, and I'm going to leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. So if you've watched this far into the video, please do me a favor by typing Pre-poo in the comment section. Now that you've seen my hibiscus oil, leave-in conditioner, deep conditioner, and Pre-poo, watch this video next for the full hibiscus routine.